Okay, so today we completed our first lesson of science, laws of motion. I have opened in front of you lesson plan. As per it, tomorrow we are going to take quick review, and we'll draw a memory map. For home exercise, you have to write exercise of the lesson tomorrow. And on 11th May, you are given some 5 points which you have to write again in the notebook. Already you have written, though you have already written, write all the points one more time, and there will be test series test on 12th of May. Up to this, you have to learn all the small questions, big questions, or solve numerical problems which we solved today. Okay, here in this video I am going to show you what is memory map, so that it will be easy to draw. Tomorrow we are going to see only quick, we are going to see we are going to take only quick review, and how to and then we'll go for Marathi grammar, some one or 2 points of Marathi grammar. Okay, so let us move to memory map. Look here, this is memory map of lesson 1. What is this memory map? Actually, memory map is the drawing, or it is a flow chart of the all concepts included in the lesson, so that it will be easier for you while exam to just review the lesson by showing these memory maps. You need not go into the you need not open the book and use your valuable time. Just review this memory map quickly and you will be prepared. Okay, here is a memory map. First memory map gives definitions, SI units, formula and symbols. Okay, there are some terms which are displayed: motion, distance, displacement, speed, velocity, etc. You have to draw this memory map immediately after your lesson, where your lesson is ended in your notebook. Previously I have provided you the notes. I hope you have written all the notes. I am going to see all those notes in your notebook. I give you the end date of all this written work is of 11th May. Up till then you have to write all the notes whichever I provided you in your notebook, and immediately after that completion, or where your notes get end, on the next page draw this memory map. If possible, then keep a separate 100 pages notebook for memory map. It will be easy to review at the exam time. Okay, just use that book of memory map, and then review it, go through it. You will not required to search for the the notebook in which you have written the notes, and then search for the memory maps where it has been written in that notebook. So I will suggest to keep a separate memory map notebook, 100 pages or whatever rough notebook available is with you, use that one. Okay, so you have to write definitions, SI units, formulas, symbols of all these terms in the map also. just draw the map as shown on screen, and where motion is written, put a dash, write definition, below it write its SI unit, if formula is available write formula, if symbol is available write symbol. Okay, in this way first memory map is to be covered. Second memory map, it is regarding types of acceleration. 5 types of acceleration, write definitions of all the accelerations here. Memory map 3 gives graph. You are not going to do anything. It is not expected to draw graph on memory map. Memory map 4 is equations of motion. Here also you are not going to not going to write anything. You have to just draw these maps of graphs, equations of motion. You have to just draw this graph in your notebook. Don't write any extra matter. And last map is of laws with examples. There are 4 laws. Write down the laws in front of each concept and write one example. Okay, and all this writing along with your notes. I expect all this writing on 11th May. Send me the photographs of all. Tomorrow we are going to take a quick review of the lesson. Okay, and we'll start Marathi we are going to start English first unit on the day after tomorrow. And tomorrow I am going to provide Marathi grammar video, one more Marathi grammar video. Okay, let us stop.